The Newell family is still wearing the pajamas they had on early this morning when their house started violently shaking.
So I hear like branches flying everywhere and the cracking of the tree I thought was just the thunder and lightning.
About 7 a.m., the 100-year-old giant cedar cascading across their driveway was splitting apart.
It just came crashing down, and next thing I know, the wall flew in.
12-year-old Mac is the big brother of the family. He was in the room next door.
Right when it hit the house, it was like a bomb. It sounded like a bomb had hit the house.
His first thought was to check on his family.
I had jumped down from my bed to make sure my brothers and sisters were okay, and then all I saw was the wall just punctured out and into the house.
It threw my girls across the room, so I just grabbed them, I threw them on the ground, got on top of them, tried to protect them.
Mom said she still didn't know what happened, but she managed to get the kids to the other side of the house where it was safe, and then took a look outside. The tree smashed 2 of their cars. This is a Chevy Tahoe buried beneath. As the tow truck removed it from the property, you can still see a big branch sticking out of the windshield. The bed of their truck crumpled, and you can also see where the tree took out a portion of the house. Down below, the cement wall blocking off the stairway to the basement was pushed off its foundation.
It's a mess. All the walls are all pushed in and stuff.
I feel like if the top of the house didn't stop the main part of the tree that came down, it would have went further, and who knows what would happen after that.